Table.
Oh. It's like, oh my goodness, all right. Hi, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to another episode of Tuna Tuesday. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a recipe from this excellent book here called Zero Proof, 90 Non-Alcoholic Recipes for Mindful Drinking by Elva Ramirez. It's filled with lots of really interesting recipes, like, for example, Alpenglow. And you can also show you another one. Mai Tai tea. And it says, brisk but also tropical, you'll find an enticing swirl of creamsicle-like sweetness, a hint of tartness from the blood orange juice, and background dryness from the tea. Doesn't that sound interesting? And it's divided among different types of drinks, such as fruity and floral, and some more vegetable type drinks, and there's a section about how to make the different syrups they use in the recipes. Some ingredients I found in the book are kind of maybe a little unique and rare, maybe hard to find, although the book does say you can order these ingredients on Amazon, so that is something you might want to watch out for. You can find this book and other ones like it in our cookbook section near. The recipe I'm sharing with you today is called Mango Mango. Unmistakably tropical and vibrant, the mango starts with a crisp tang and softens as it melts. It's a perfect brunch companion. You'll find the list of ingredients and quantities that you'll need in the description below. For this recipe, you will need 2 ounces of fresh or frozen mango puree. It's important that the mango puree does not have any added sugar. You'll need 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. I made my own using half a cup of water and half a cup of sugar, and I just melted the sugar into the water for a few minutes at medium heat. The next ingredient is 1.5 ounces of lime juice. The next ingredient is chipotle salt, which is 1 part chipotle powder mixed with 2 parts kosher salt. Lastly, you'll need some crushed ice. In your cocktail shaker, combine the mango puree, lime juice, simple syrup, and a pinch of chipotle salt. I'm using about 3 tablespoons of mango puree, which is equivalent to the 2 ounces of mango. Now add the ice and give it a good shake. Lastly, I'll add a little more of the crushed ice and sprinkle a small amount of the chipotle salt on top. This recipe is great to share with your Sunday brunch book club meetings. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions about how to find this book, If you're a proof and others like it, give us a call or come visit us at the library.